Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study online using an easy method. First, create a dedicated study space. This helps your brain associate the area with learning, improving focus. Make sure your internet is strong to avoid interruptions during live classes or research. Having all your materials ready, like a charged laptop and a water bottle, saves time and keeps you in the zone. Next, let's talk about smart study habits. Try the Pomodoro technique. Focus for 25 minutes, then take a short break. This prevents burnout and keeps your mind fresh. Don't just passively read. Actively engage by summarizing points in your own words or discussing them with a study partner. Regular review, even for just 10 minutes daily, significantly boosts memory. Staying motivated and organized is key for online learning. Set realistic goals each day. For example, completing 2 chapters or finishing 1 assignment. Use a digital planner to keep track of all your deadlines and study sessions. Connecting with classmates or your instructor can provide valuable support and help you feel less isolated. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Finally, leverage technology to your advantage. There are many apps that can help with note-taking, blocking distractions, and managing your schedule. Remember to take short breaks every hour or so to stretch and rest your eyes. This helps maintain focus and prevents burnout. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your study environment. Good luck with your online studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.